nationality, sir?
Scottish.
Scottish.
Ayoko naman subukan pa kung ang temper nitong new friend ko ay tulad din ni Hannibal. Kaya naghanap na lang ako ng ibang mapagkakaabalahan.
Ano yung mga gadgets nyo dito? Radar. Diba, importante to.
Okay.
Pero hindi, nakapatay siya.
Nakatay siya sa araw, so lang namin gagamit niya. Nakakita namin yung ini-object na nakalutang dito sa dalan.
Guys, welcome to Puerto Galera. Excited na ako dahil maraming festivals ang pwede natin makita dito. At syempre, hinihintay ko pala sila Katkat at Uma. Wala pa sila eh.
As soon as we arrived, Dreamwave Hotel and Restaurant treated us to a sumptuous feast.
Bakit Dreamwave?
Sapagkat yan ang pinaka-dream ng aking boss para na Dreamwave. Kaya yan ang pinalagay niya sa kanyang hotel and restaurant.
Nice. So ilang rooms na po yung meron dito sa Dreamwave?
Sa kasalukuyan, meron kaming 55 rooms for the accommodation of guests. Ang ipinagmamalaki namin sa Dreamwave Hotel ay very affordable siya. At saka pinakamasarap yung aming may specialty kami na Dreamwave fried rice sa aming restaurant at saka cheesy squid, crispy pata.
Hindi po siya nagsisinungaling kasi natikman po namin yun at sobrang sarap talaga. Kompleto na po lahat dito. Pag tumuloy kayo, everything's covered from fun to food. So come on to Dreamwave. Thank you po, Mr.
Thank
El.
you.
High five.
And then, it was off to the first Di Galera Festival.
Welcome sa First Di Galera Festival. Mabuhay ang Puerto Galera, bayan ng Malaparaisong Dalampasigan.
Masaya naman pala dito sa Puerto Galera. To think na I haven't even gone to the beach yet.
Napakaganda talaga ng view dito sa Puerto Nirvana Beach Resort. Dahil behind me is Honduras Bay, dating docking area ng mga malalaking ships back in the Spanish time. Anyway, going back to our email, Dear Trippers, I enjoyed your segment that featured my beloved province of Masbate. You shown her inner beauty and grace amidst her dismal record as one of our country's poorest province. A political hotspot in every election, a haven of successive corrupt political dynasties. The pristine beaches and enchanting cave islands of Masbate is indeed very alluring to both Filipinos and Americans here in the United States. I wish to see again the land of my birth and my family's bailiwick next year, and wish to enjoy that trip from Pasay to Pilar and then Masbate City and to my town of Dimasalang. I wish that I salute your efforts to provide your global audience a very positive image, not only of Masbate, but of our country in general. God bless and more power to the rest of the hosts and staff. From Architect Efren Ranel of Florida, USA. Architect, thank you sa observation nyo. Dahil totoo yung sinabi nyo, maganda talaga sa Masbate. When I was there, kaya I don't believe what people say na pag naririnig mo lang sa radyo or wherever, you have to check it out for yourself to really see the beauty of a place. Kasi sinabi nga nila, one of the poorest provinces. Pero pagpunta mo doon, hindi naman parang ganon. Kasi it's really beautiful. So appreciate your email. Keep sending us more because we love you. Thanks.
Pagdating ko sa beach, agad na ako nakiparty sa white sand. Too bad, hindi ko kasama sila Katkat at Uma. May kasama sana ako na naka-feel ng beat sa party dito.
Uma,
Yes.
andito na tayo sa Terminal 1 ng Batangas Port kung saan in a few minutes sasakyan na natin ang ating roll-on, roll-off boat.
Okay.
Okay?
So, Miss Banaben, sorry, wala akong alam dito. Once lang ako sumakay ng barko.
Marco,
Papuntang ano ba yan? Boracay.
iba naman kasi to. Kasi
Ito.
itong roll-on, roll-off vehicle natin,
Oh.
dalawa lang ang trip niyan papuntang Puerto Galera.
Okay.
We took the earlier trip